This time it's not an episode of Hustle with Sar. We are finally traveling. So it's the first episode of Travel with Sar. We deserve this break and we are in one of my bucket list locations. We are in Leh Ladakh and I'm here with my best friend Roshni. Roshni, say hi. I'm so excited to be here. इतनी कड़क धूप है जहाँ हम बैठे हैं. We have checked into our guest house. It's a very cozy place over here and the acclimatization has started. Like every breath I take is like थोड़ा difficulty हो रहा है सांस लेने के लिए. But like you can see अभी काफी मैं सांस ले पा रही हूँ इसलिए मैंने vlog शुरू किया है. It's a very cozy guest house. Let me show you exactly how it looks like. This is from where we enter. We have our bed, our luggage over here. Very nice view from the windows over here. Like कहाँ भी देखो सुंदर ही दिखता है मतलब बाहर तो. And over here we have a place that literally Roshni and I are going to be chilling all the time. Although I think we are only one day na idhar.
Either we're going and coming back.
Are we? I've not seen the itinerary very well. This is the most spontaneous trip I've taken ever. Okay, so let me tell you all a little bit of backstory as to how we decided to come here. It was a very spontaneous trip. I had decided that once I graduate, I want to go to Leh Ladakh. And when my internship was about to end, I was looking at these Instagram pages that do the tours and packages. And I was like, you know, even if nobody's coming with me, I'm going to travel to Leh Ladakh, even if it's just by myself. So that was the spontaneous attitude that I went with. And then I found this page that I'm going to leave the handle. I don't know how to say it even today. It's Mad Vonitures. It's Mad Vain Adventures. I don't know, but it's basically run by Madhura, and it's like a small group that we are traveling with, and she has these rounds and groups of packages that she takes to Leh Ladakh. So I was like, you know what, I'll just join you guys, and I was gonna do it alone. But then finally 1 week after I booked my ticket, Roshni also decided to book her ticket. So that's why Roshni and I are now in Leh Ladakh. That was a very spontaneous trip. This is the most spontaneous vacation I've ever taken. Don't know the itinerary, barely looked at it. I know we are traveling to Srinagar, Leh and Ladakh, but आगे जो भी होगा वो सब जैसे जैसे होगा देखते जाएंगे. और I'm very excited. Like see, I'm traveling after so long, dude. Just looking at the mountains made me so happy. I'm very happy to be here. And Roshni is like, she is like the opposite of me, so she's gonna like Shanti se be sitting in one corner. Well, I'll be like this. थोड़ा सा तो भाव देते मेरे vlog को.
Time to sleep. Bye.
I don't know how to say it.
It's called Mad Ventures.
Mad Ventures,
Yes.
na? Mad Ventures.
Both are wrong.
Yeah, both are. I was calling it Mad Vonitures.
And I was saying Mad Vain Adventures.
So it's about 11:42 and we had a brief introduction. We had coffee and poha as breakfast and we are headed out for our first day of sightseeing. So I don't really know, like I told you, I've not gone through the itinerary, but देखते हैं कहाँ कहाँ जा रहे हैं. I'm wearing this from Urbanic. My lipstick is Estee Lauder's Irrepressible. Roshni's lipstick is here. I'm going to put it in my fanny pack. It's from Miniso and Levi's jeans. चाबी रोशनी डाल रही है. डाल दे ये भी तेरी lipstick तेरे को touch up करनी हो. Lipstick ठीक है? Sanitizer I have, and we're going to take 1 tablet of Dymox, that is for better oxygen saturation. So we're going to take 1 of that just in case, because we are having some amount of breathlessness, especially when we do this up and down. Let's go. We've reached Hemis Monastery. This is what it is like, and हर एक कदम पे मेरी सांस फूल रही है. It's very difficult to breathe here. Very difficult. We want to take 1 photo, but उसके लिए we have to take 10 breaths to catch up with the oxygen level. I hope this doesn't happen every day. कौन खा रहा है? देखो यहाँ पे भी चाइनीज ही दिख रहा है. चल भाई तू फोटो ले.
ले तो सही, मैं
तू पोज तो कर. at Leh Palace right now and I tried to go inside, but it was very suffocating for me. I could not breathe at all. Like I could not climb even one flight of stairs and I got breathless and I had to come down. So I was just not able to breathe. I had to sit somewhere and udhar andar kuch jagah bhi nahi hai. That is Leh Palace. So Roshni and everybody else, the entire group has gone inside and I'm sitting here and enjoying this beautiful view. I trekked up a little bit, like udhar se I came a little up and I'm sitting on this rock and this is the view in front of me, which is gorgeous. I love looking at this, so I chose to just sit here rather than go inside. This is the last destination for the day. और हमारी हवा अभी बहुत टाइट हो गई है, बिल्कुल नहीं चला जा रहा. कैसे तो भी चल रहा है. We've not even used the washroom since morning. This view though, I mean, Ladakh is all about the views, huh? Like तुम गाड़ी में तो आँख बंद ही नहीं कर सकते. You'll miss out on everything. ओके अभी हमारी हालत काफ़ी बेटर है. हम बहुत टाइम तक उधर चिल कर रहे थे. एंड नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू शांति स्तूपा इनसाइड टू सी व्हाट इट्स ऑल अबाउट. द मोर यू क्लाइंब द मोर ब्रेथलेस यू गेट. इतनी कॉफी की लत लगी है कब से, और इनको उसमें भी चॉइस है कि ऐसी नहीं वैसी.
अगर सुबह वाली कॉफी मिली ना,
सुबह वाली कॉफी नहीं होगी, इतनी घटिया कॉफी नहीं मिलेगी. हाय, हाउ मेनी स्ट्रॉन्ग कॉफी है ना? आप लोग कौन सा कॉफी पाउडर यूज करते हो?
बिना शक्कर के चाहिए
वो मिलेगा मैम. तो कॉफी कौन सी आपको चाहिए? वो
एकदम स्ट्रॉन्ग.
कॉफी कौन सी चाहिए आपको? कौन सी कंपनी का कॉफी चाहिए?
हाँ तो आप ऑप्शंस दो ना हमको.
हमारे पास एक ही कप होगा मैम.
तो फिर ऑप्शंस क्यों पूछ रहे हो आप? तो ठीक है वही देना पड़ेगा ना फिर आपको.
बस स्ट्रॉन्ग करना पड़ेगा. थोड़ा पाउडर ज्यादा
पाउडर ज्यादा डालो इफ यू फील के स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं है.
डाल देंगे मैम. आप बोलो कितने.
ठीक है, 1 2 आर यू टेकिंग 3 4
मेरा विदाउट शुगर.
4 कॉफी. नहीं क्यों?
वैसे ही बनाते हैं.
और फिर शुगर अलग से दोगे ना? अरे ये कैसी पनिशमेंट है. ठीक है परफेक्ट. कितना हुआ 4 कॉफी? अभी बिल करूँ पहले क्या पाओगे? हम बैठते हैं ना बाहर. ठीक है, कुछ खाना है क्या तुम लोग को? बाहर बैठते हैं गाइस. ऐसी जगह पे आके अंदर कौन बैठता है? या दिस इज द परफेक्ट प्लेस टू बी सिटिंग.
Listen, we have just abandoned the group and we've like taken as a unanimous decision to come here without informing.
We are still at Shanti Stupa. Alright you guys, so technically our day is over. Everyone's gone back to the guest house, everyone's resting and जितना भी sightseeing करना था हमने कर लिया है. तो actually तो हमको भी चले जाना चाहिए. But there is one thing that I wanted to do when I come to Ladakh and that is ride a bike. अब if I'm being very honest with you, I don't know very well how to ride a bike. I have ridden a bike 5 years back. वो भी 1-2 बार. But I'm hoping कोई मुझे एक बार बता देगा तो I think मैं सीख लूँगी because I'm a fast learner like that. So we're gonna go and see if we can rent a bike. So Madhura, our tour guide operator, has guided us around over here. We are walking it out. We're gonna first hunt for that and then hunt for SIM cards so we can GPS our way out of here. Because हमारे SIM cards नहीं काम कर रहे हैं Vodafone के, तो हम Airtel लेने वाले हैं temporarily. So yeah, you can see how out of breath I get over here. I have the worst stamina in the world. But I'm very excited to ride a bike. My pillion's here with me. I'll keep you alive, don't worry.
I'm not very confident.
Hello, when you were riding in Pondicherry, याद है हमने तुझे सिखाया था उधर. स्कूटर और बाइक में ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं है. Adventures of Ladakh 101. इधर है आई थिंक. ये दिख रहा है. सी नंबर प्लेट्स लगे हुए है इधर से एंट्री. आ जा. इधर बाइक रेंटल है क्या? बाइक रेंटल किधर है फिर? This looks like a legit place. Bike rent, trekking, rafting. लद्दाख की गलियों में हम चले जा रहे हैं. It's not risky, it's adventure.
उठा के लेके जाएगा फिर बोलो.
चलते चलते हम यहाँ पहुँच गए.
लद्दाख फिजियोथेरेपी.
लद्दाख फिजियोथेरेपी क्लिनिक पहुँच गए.
You should come here tomorrow.
And do what?
Maybe they'll give me a job.
And will you take a job in Ladakh?
Why not?
This is a French bakery.
No. Press it down. From here. Come on, doctor, go. Oh, listen, don't be. Sorry, what's your name?
Sarah.
Sarah, don't be afraid. Go.
Alrighty guys, that's it for this vlog for today's very crazy day, first day in Ladakh. That was all over the place. There was so much happening. I think the major adventure started after we came back from all the tourist site visits. Roshni and I went hunting for bikes today, but aaj ek bhi nahi mili. And finally when I got only one bike, one Avenger, I could not ride it. It is not as easy as it looks or sounds, and I could not remember how to ride a bike at all. So finally I got one bike rental person who's a localite who has his own Royal Enfield. So around like 8:30 he came and gave me his Royal Enfield, and I tried. I saw videos on YouTube and I tried, and in first gear I could ride, but the minute I would switch gears it would like go off, and the roads over here are narrow. So then he became my pillion and then he was helping me out. Yeah, I did ride for a little bit. I tried to ride at least, and I kind of tried to learn, if you will. And you really need to learn in Bombay properly because it's not as easy as it looks. It's not as easy as I thought it was gonna be. I don't know what I was thinking trying to learn in Ladakh, but it was too much fun. Jo bhi thoda bahut adventure tha, it was too much fun. I'm very tired now, very exhausting. I'm gonna end the vlog right here because so much happened today. And let's see if tomorrow, also my tour organizer told me I could, like tomorrow mostly rentals are available. All the bike rentals told me कि कल मिलेगी, आज नहीं मिलेगी. तो कल अगर मिलती है and I can go, then I might go. I don't know. Okay, I don't know just yet. Let's see how it pans out. Let's see what tomorrow brings us. Will I finally be able to ride a bike, a bullet in Ladakh, which was the dream initially. All of this has been in my mind for so long. Mera khurafati dimag jo hai na. But anyway, I will end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Stay tuned tomorrow for the next day of Ladakh. For today's video, the Sarah Squad shout out goes to Anjali Udari. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. If you want to be a part of next video Sarah Squad shout out, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, the bell icon right next to it, and also leave a comment down below saying hashtag Sarah Squad, and you get a chance to be a part of my next video Sarah Squad shout out. Bye guys, I will see you tomorrow for the next episode of the Ladakh week. Bye, I love you. Mwah.